วันหันทั่ววันหันคัดเนี่ยสาระที่สุด
Once you cut the old pin pieces off, place the new slider on the frame to test it to make sure that it's a good fit. So this customer originally has a solid piece, a solid back glass. For a solid back glass to convert to a slider, this thing is blocking the slider from sliding through. So we need to trim this plastic piece right here. It's behind the back seat. You won't see it. It needs to be cut a little bit, otherwise the slider won't fit. We're gonna show you how. Drill a hole like this. Drill 2 holes. Okay. So after you drill 2 holes here, right next to the plastic piece, you just need to push this panel, push it out a little bit, just like how we did it. You have to do this step, otherwise the slider won't fit. So it's very important. Push this plastic panel out until the slider is completely installed, and then you can push the plastic panel back. We're testing that right now. So now after we push the plastic panel out a little bit, now the slider fits perfectly. You see, it aligned with the body. So now you can proceed to install the glass. We're ready to apply the new glue. Follow the old glue line, then it should be correct. Now we're applying the glass. Carefully and slowly paste the glass to bond with the glue, and then you can temporarily tape it so you can adjust the glass to make sure it even out with the body. We also recommend putting like a stopper on the bottom so the glass won't continue dropping because the glue is still fresh. Wait till the glue gets hot, and then you can remove it. You can put like a piece of